Everyone, my name is Chyna and I'm a scientist. See, this is my lab coat right here. It's green, but it works great. Being a scientist to me is really just writing down the questions that I have and trying to answer them. I discovered my love for science in sixth grade when I learned about cells. I ended up writing a poem about organelles, the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, stuff like that. And my teacher got me into a science camp for girls. When I went to that camp, I actually set foot on campus, on a college campus for the first time, and I loved it. I grew up in low income housing, I grew up on welfare, but I knew that I didn't need money to go to school. So that was my plan, and that became my goal. I was going to get into a university and escape the hood. It was my avenue for a better life, and it became my passion. You could say that I'm addicted to learning. Now that I'm a scientist, I study how people respond to disease, and I ask questions about why they respond certain ways, how these responses happen, and how we can change things to make people healthier. I'm able to help people by doing the thing that I love and that I'm passionate about. A typical day for me involves dropping my daughter off at daycare in the morning, heading into lab with a cup of coffee, and working on how to answer the questions that I have, which always lead to more questions. I run experiments or read to learn more about the things I'm curious about. Then I leave lab, pick my daughter up from daycare, and enjoy the rest of my day doing other things that I love, like watching TV or drawing and spending time with my family. I can't imagine a better way to spend the day. I love asking questions, trying to solve puzzles, and really that is what science and research mean to me. So I'm a scientist and you can be too.